All we're doing is we're basically saying, hey, look at the palette, find that character C, it's gonna have an RGB value, extract it into variables called RGB, and then just run it. So if we did everything right, this should just work. So we should be able to cat smile into sprite to BMP, and then we can give it the palette of palette.text. This won't quite work. The reason it won't quite work is because I didn't change these O's. So let's go ahead and change those O's to just the number 1. We can just mess around that way. And then we should be able to run it and it should work. I think it's still gonna fail. No, it actually worked. Okay. Ignore what I think. Apparently I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go ahead and load this up. We have pixel art with the palette. How perfect is that? Look at that. That's beautiful. Now we are free to do anything here. We're only using some of the palette. We could go ahead and make the eyes, I don't know, make them 2. And then we can make this one 3 if we wanted to. I have no idea why you'd want to do that. We can replace all these with 3s. Here, you know what? Actually, yeah, let's just do that. Put the top and the bottom as 3s. We have 2s for the eyes and 1 for the mouth. Let's go ahead and let's run that again. Let's open our out.bmp. And there we go. Look how beautiful that is. Wait, do we have the 3s at the bottom? That's why 3 wasn't showing up. I copied it wrong. Oh man, I should always check my work. This is why graphics programming is fun. I mean this, I actually mean this. When you make mistakes, they show up visually. How cool is that? That is such a cool way to see mistakes. You literally get to visualize them. I think that's such a cool thing. So if this works, we should have a top and a bottom to this image. Hey, we do. I'll make this a little bit bigger. You can see we have green at the top. We have green at the bottom. The mouth is slightly lighter and the eyes are barely visible. There we go. We have 2D sprite generation using nothing but Bash.